employee or no employee. EPFO clarifies status of interns-trainees students by C-Quel. By way of a circular dated the 27th of July 2022, new circular, the Employees Provident Fund Organization has issued a clarification on the coverage of student trainees under the EPF Act, 1952. This circular follows the old EPF circular of October 2015 wherein a distinction was made for student trainees and their coverage under the EPF Act. The old circular had clarified that no employer-employee relationship exists in respect of student trainees who return to their respective institutions for completion of their academic course post the industrial, practical training received by them as trainees, and as such, the stipend payable to such trainees will not attract the provisions of the EPF Act. EPF requirements for interns-trainees under the new circular. The new circular prescribes further guidelines to determine the EPF coverage of student trainees, which include recognition of the institution and the course by a competent authority, from or in respect of which the student trainees have been engaged, which institution, course in turn incorporates practical training as part of the curriculum, program, the duration of the practical training not exceeding the period specified under the concerned course, and the purpose of the practical training not exceeding the scope envisaged, allowed under the concerned course. ECR filing mandate for student interns trainees. The new circular also requires establishments to declare details of the student trainees engaged by them in the ECR file. However, the ECR has not yet been updated to report such trainee students. Hence, establishments are advised to keep all such trainee student intern documents scanned and readily available for future EPF inspections along with the above three conditions for exemption. NAPS apprentices EPF coverage. On a related note, EPFO has repeatedly stated that trainees engaged by an establishment under the All India Council for Technical Education (NEM) regulations would be deemed as employees under the EPF Act. EPFO also issued a circular dated the 24th of February 2022 clarifying that NEM trainees will not be deemed to be exempted from the definition of employee under the EPF Act. However, NAPS apprentices, registered through a contract of apprenticeship on the portal continue to have EPF coverage exemption as on date. Any questions? Ask C-Quel.